Hello, welcome to my screen and thank you for joining me. The first pair on my list right here will be the Euro USD. So let's jump on Euro USD chart analysis. Before I proceed with the chart analysis on Euro USD, if you haven't subscribed to this page, to this channel, please smash the subscribe button right there. You have 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's proceed with the chart analysis on Euro USD. Now, right here on my previous video right here, I called Euro USD to this level right here. But provided that Euro USD is able to break and close below this level right here, because this was the previous level of support that the price ran into, and I say that if we can see a clear breakout of this from this level right here, of this support level, if price can break and close above it, we should see Euro USD rally to test the neckline of this trend reversal right here before pushing back up. But Euro USD did not fulfill that. Instead it sustained above this support level and rally to the upside. So let's go back to the higher time frame to have a quick review on Euro USD. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Now let's start from the monthly time frame first. Now right here on the monthly time frame, we can see that Euro USD is on a downtrend, creating consecutive series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Now for like 3 years back, Euro USD has stuck in a range, has been in a range for the past 3 years, and before eventually breaking and closing below this support level right here. We have a massive sell-off right here from this high right here to this low. It was a massive sell-off, and again, for every sell-off we expect a pullback to happen, and this was the level right here we expect the price to pull back from and continue to rally back down to this level right here. But instead, the market was stuck in a range, and ever since it has been moving in a sideways movement. The sideways movement started in 2023, and it hold till 2024, 25 before eventually breaking out from that level. Now, traders thought that Euro USD has finally break out of the range, and Euro USD disappointed the traders, and what, it shoot back in again. Now, as we can see, Euro USD is officially back in a range. Now, right here on the monthly time frame right here, this now on the monthly time frame right here, if I use the Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low, took that again. If I should use the Fibonacci from the swing high right here down to the swing low, the Fibonacci level is pointing right here, and just as you can see, the price is currently ranging in between this key level of support right here and this key level of resistance right here, and this is the next level target on Euro USD, provided that Euro USD is able to break out of the range properly and start to push lower. So now, right here now on the monthly time frame, we have a bullish engulfing candle that has engulfed the previous 2 month candle right here before we have a bullish engulfing candle in the month of March, and it engulfed the previous month candle. So right here now, what we are looking for right now will be what, buying opportunity on Euro USD, since Euro USD has break out from the range, has break out and is back in a range again. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see in details of what is happening on the monthly time frame. So right here on the weekly time frame right here on the weekly time frame, this was a massive sell-off that we see on the monthly time frame, and this was the pullback. Instead of the pullback to to come right to this support level and start to push lower. Instead, what the market did, the market decided to be playing around, moving sideways, and this was a fake breakout that happened. This was a fake breakout. This was a fake breakout that happened, that that trader thought that Eagle USD should is has breakout off from the range, and I would expect Eagle USD to start pushing lower, but that did not happen. Eagle USD deceived traders, deceived traders, form a trend reversal right here and push back in again. This is back in Euro USD, is back in a range. Right here now on this level right here, we have a trend reversal and an inverse head and shoulder. We have the left shoulder right here, we have the head and the right shoulder. I repeat, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So price break and close above it with a bullish weekly candle break and break this level right here. This tells us that what Euro USD is having is a very strong momentum to the upside to come to this resistance level right here. So Euro USD is back in the range. When that happened, I was expecting Euro USD to pull back right here to test the neckline of this trend reversal right here, of this chart pattern right here. But um but due to the due to the strong buy momentum right here with this on this weekly time frame, Euro USD is unable to come to this support level to take out this level right here, to take out the neckline and push back up, and Euro USD just push back up again. And now just like we see it now right here, now we can now see a bullish engulfing candle again. It has engulfed the previous week, so this is a bullish, this is a bullish candle, looking like a morning star right here. So after a morning star, we expect the following week to be what? To be a bullish week. So definitely when the new market open, we are going to see more of buy opportunity to this level right here, to this resistance level right here. Euro USD is coming right here. So now just like as you can see, Euro USD is officially in a range. Euro USD is coming right here. If price gets here, if the buyers are able to break out of this resistance, Euro USD is coming right here. But for now, we just have to concentrate that Euro USD is coming to this resistance level right here. So let's move next to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is where we come to look for the immediate trend within the overall trend. On the monthly time frame, you can see that it has given us a bullish engulfing candle. On the weekly time frame, it has given us a trend reversal on the weekly time frame. Inverse head and shoulder on the weekly time frame. We expect price to pull back right here down. We expect price to pull back down to test the neckline of the chart pattern, but that did not happen. But due to the strong momentum, Euro USD was unable to do that, and it ignored that level and it rallied to the upside. No, right here now on the week now on the daily time frame, this was the chart pattern right here on the weekly time frame, and just like I've said earlier, I was expecting Euro USD price to come right here to come test the neckline of this chart pattern right here. This is the chart pattern. I was expecting Euro USD to come right here to test the neckline of this chart pattern before pushing back up. But Euro USD did not do that due to due to this support level right here. Yes, due to this support level right here, this support level was unable to what? To break below to break below to come test this outer part. In my previous video on Euro, in my last video on Euro USD before this one, I said that if Euro USD can break below this level, this support level, Euro USD is coming right here. But that did not happen. Euro USD just sustain on this support level and push back up. This this is acting as this is a support level, and this is also acting as a resistance level right here. Let me adjust this right here. So this acted as a support level and this also acted as a resistance level right here. Now, price turn around right here, breaking it. When it gets to this resistance level right here, it break and close above it. As you can see, we have a daily candle. We have a bullish, healthy daily candle break and close above it. This tells us that Euro USD is definitely coming. Is coming right here to this resistance level, to this key level of resistance right here. Since right here now we have seen a daily candle, we have seen a full body daily candle as break and close above the resistance level. Now right here, previous level of resistance is about to turn support right here before pushing back up to this key level of resistance right here. So what we are looking for right now is what is buying opportunity even on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame has given us, let's go back, let me take you back to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this on the weekly time frame has given us a bullish engulfing candle. This even looks like an morning star. A morning star. Okay, let me just see a bullish engulfing candle. We expect after a bullish engulfing candle form on a support level, we expect the following week candle to be bullish. So definitely when the new market open, we should see price pushing up to this key level of resistance right here. So now let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. This is where the 4 hour time frame comes in. Now on the daily time frame, we have seen daily candle break and close above this support, above this resistance level. This is a level of resistance right here. This is a level of resistance right here, and price has break and close above it. So right here now, now on the forward time frame, we have seen price has come to this support, to this resistance level. Resistance level has now turned support level. So now even on the forward time frame, forward last market week closed with a bullish pin bar on the 4 hour time frame. We can see a retest has happened on this support level. Previous level of resistance has now turned support. So now what we are expecting Euro USD to do when the new market opens is to see a bullish engulfing candle. Is to see what a bullish engulfing candle to engulf this bullish pin bar right here. Engulf it, Euro USD will push back up to this strong level, to this key level of resistance right here. Euro USD will push back up, will push right here from this level right here. Is coming right here. This is where Euro USD is coming from. Is coming to. This is the next level target on Euro USD. Just just like we have seen it from the daily time frame. Daily time frame has break and close above this support, above this resistance level. This level is a resistance level. Price has break and close above it. I repeat, price has break and close above it on the daily time frame. So we expect price to pull back, give us a confirmation to go long on Euro USD to this key level of resistance right here. And even on the forward time frame, we have seen a bullish pin bar. We have seen a bullish pin bar. We expect another 4 hour candle to engulf it, giving us a bullish engulfing candle to push the price back up. Yes, we expect a bullish engulfing candle to push the price back up right here. But just like as we see now, Euro USD is back in the range. Euro USD is back in the range. This was the point where we thought that Euro USD should just rally to the downside, but Euro USD just disappointed traders and deceived traders. Let me just use that word. It deceived traders that it is out from the range and it came back in again. So Euro USD is back in the range. So Euro USD is coming right here. When it gets here, Euro Euro USD is coming to this key level of resistance. When it gets here, Euro USD will form a trend reversal. If we can see a trend reversal on this resistance level, it will push back down again. But if price gets here and break out of it, it's coming right here. So Euro USD will keep elevating from one level to another level until it is tired of trending before pushing back down. But just like we have seen from the higher time frame that the overall movement is what is pointing down right here. So Euro USD will still push to the downside, just that Euro USD is still stuck in the range. So now that is that of Euro USD. So if you have watched this video to this very end, please smash the subscribe button right there. Like the video, share the video, and comment to this video. Catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.